Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 5th of January 2023. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports with the weekly expiry on Nifty January future, Bank Nifty January future. So whatever has happened today in the market, this today comment is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, so now let us start quickly with the video. Alright, so the Nifty January future over here is the previous close here is at 18,103, open is at 18,155, high is at 18,190, low is at 17,964. All right, so now let us go to the chart on the Nifty January future on a 3 minutes time frame and see how the market has been performing. All right, so the market closed around this point, and after the market has been closed around this point, yeah, 1 second. All right, so the market has been closed yesterday at this point level, and then the market today opened at this candle, and then the market started to stick slightly to the downward, and once after going to the bottom, the market took a little bit support, went up in order to stay there, and the market started to even go higher further up till here at 18,190 ish level, and from there it could not sustain much. From there the market started to fall down as below as 18,083. After falling, the market stayed on a little bit sideways, and it started to even go down to the bottom. And after the market started to go down to the bottom, and after the market started to go down, it went in a very straight and narrow line, and it kept on going to the bottom. After there, it touched the support number one, which was created at 18,024 at approximately its first candle was touched at 12:30 in the noon, and after touching here, the market went even further down and tried to touch the support number 2, which was at 17,945, but it slightly failed, and after failing, the market went back up again, bounced back, took a strong support and went up, and to close approximately 1518. It did touch its trend high, which was at 18,081, while the Nifty has closed at 18,071. All right, so now let us go to the Bank Nifty January future. So the Bank Nifty January future previous close is at 43,136, open is at 43,255, high is at 43,300, low is at 42,473. All right, so now let us come to the Bank Nifty January future on a 3-minute time frame and then see how the market has been performing over here as well. So what happened in the Nifty January future of today's expiry, the same thing has been continued to happen over the here, and then the market went up till this candle, which is at 43,300, and it could not break above this point, and after it could not break above this point, it touched below and went down till 42,888, and it went down below. After going down below, it stayed in a very trendy line, and then after staying into the trendy line, the market went up until here at 42,968, and then 916. Okay, I'm sorry about that, and it stayed in this narrow range, and it was from 948 till 11:30. After 11:30 is what the real thing started to happen. The market started to fall even further down below as 42,618, after making the day's low at 42,476, while it took again a support from its day's low till the here, and it has managed to close at 42,752, and that is what has happened. And after going down till here, and this is how the market has been performing. It was a really amazing market, and a lot of opportunities were there. 100 rupees option had become 600, 700, 800. If I'd like to show you how the market has performed, I took one trade in the morning which lasted only for approximately less than 50 seconds. It was 43,200 put option, and I'll just show you how it has become 42,300 at the morning. I sold it for 240, and it was open at 266, low was at 158, and then high after me selling was created at 897. That's approximately 3 to 4x of good amount of return, and that's how the high has been going up. The market started to fall later by the day, and it started to fall very badly, and after it started to keep on falling, and that's how the market has been going up until market has been going down, while the option has been started to call, because this is a put option of Bank Nifty January future 43,200 PE. It went up till 897. From there it has closed at 591. All right, so yeah, let's see how the tomorrow's market will be. I have no position and I have no possible predictions for tomorrow, but let us see whatever it is. All right, so well, thank you so much for staying up until here. I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Thank you.